What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports. And Thursday night football is on tonight between the Cowboys and the Giants. So we got a good game tonight. Giants looked decent last game. Cowboys have looked like shit all year long. So I guess their offenses looked good. Their defense is absolute garbage though. They need to fix something there. But we got some free plays for us today. So we're going to hop into those. But we are up over 60 units so far this month alone. So if you want to get on all of that with us, get on that profit train, go over here to the Winible, winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. Get signed up for the week pass. That's going to get you all the plays from now until Sunday, through Sunday for all of college football, NFL, as well as any other plays as well. So that's usually $100. If you use the code CHASE here, though, that's going to get you 75% off of the week pass. So 25 bucks, and we're going to go and profit this weekend. But let's hop into what we are playing. So there's a few discounted props that we're going to take advantage of. First one is over on Sleeper Fantasy. If you go over there and use the code 907FANTASY when you sign up, they're going to give you a $100 welcome bonus deposit match just for signing up and using that code. And then you can go and play this CD Lamb discounted props. They've discounted his receptions yards, his receiving yards, 28% off. Lowered it from 81.5 all the way down to 58.5. So take the over on that one. And if you want to see what I'm pairing that up with, go over to the Winible, sign up for the week pass. There's going to be over 100 plays over there between now and Sunday. So go ahead and get signed up over there. But next up is one of the free plays. So I'm giving out 2 free plays here today. First one is over on BETR. So I just partnered up with BETR. If you go over there and use the code 907FANTASY or you use the link down in the description below, they're going to match your deposit up to $200. So you put in $200, you're going to have $400 to go play with, and you'll get a free pick just for signing up. So go ahead and take advantage of that. And then they've discounted Malik Neighbors receptions down to 5.5. So we're taking the over on Malik Neighbors receptions. He's the number 1 targeted wide receiver in the NFL right now. He's Daniel Jones' clear-cut favorite target. He's had a phenomenal rookie season so far. So I'm taking the over on Malik Neighbors receptions, matching that up with CD Lamb over 81.5 receiving yards. So that's a nice little $10 into $30 there. So go ahead and take advantage of that over on BETR Picks. Get signed up with code 907FANTASY, and they're going to match your deposit up to $200. So the second free play is over on Chalkboard. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, once again, use the code 907FANTASY over there. You can use that code on Chalkboard, Sleeper, BETR to get signed up, and on Dabble. So make sure to get signed up on all of those because we're going to be playing a lot on all of those. But over on Chalkboard today, they have Dak Prescott's passing yards at 1 yard. So he needs to throw for 1 yard, and we cash that one. So take the over there. This is going to be an easy win for doubling up our money. So they're going to allow us to play $10 on this discounted prop. So we're taking $10, matching that up with Malik Neighbors over 50 receiving yards for a nice little $20 payout. So make sure to go get signed up over there. And make sure to copy these plays because we're going to be cashing both of these tonight for some nice profit. But that's all we got for you today. It's a quick video. But like I said, make sure to go over to Winible, get signed up on there. We profit both of these, and this is going to pay for your weekend pass. And then all of Friday, Saturday, Sunday is just going to be clear profit for you to go and get build up your bankroll. So make sure to go over there to the Winible, sign up for the week pass, use code CHASE. It's going to get you 75% off. Copy these 2 plays with the deposit matches, and you're going to be in the green by the end of tonight. So make sure to take advantage of all that. Good luck with all your plays today. Let me know down in the comments below if you're going to be tailing me. And all those links are going to be down in the description below to get signed up for all of these and to go and get VIP. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.